1970 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And this is not your run-of-the-mill Nova, folks. I would definitely put this into the category of a Restomod. Underneath the hood, 5.3 liter GM V8 with an LS2 top end. That's paired up with a 4L65E automatic with overdrive transmission. So modern power plant, running gear. And I'm just getting started. It has a Holley Terminator X-Max management system on it. So it is programmable. It's also self-learning. And the shift points on the transmission can be evenly changed. Amazing system. Right now, mild tune put in it. We will start it up so you can hear it run. Take a peek underneath the engine bay. Jason will take it for a drive and show you how this car goes down the road. All right, as far as exterior, paint shows well on this car. It's kind of a very subtle tri-coat white with a deep, deep, dark metallic green painted stripe. Take a look at the chrome bright work up front on this car. It is sharp. More modern headlamps. Now, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pictures. You can also call us, 507-386-1726. In those still pictures, you're going to see a list of things that have been done to this car. 2024 modifications, you'll see that list. I'm going to try to hit on all of them as we walk around this and chat about it a little bit. But if you have any questions, go to the website, check out those still pictures. You can see cowl induction hood. Paint shows well. You can see these body panels nice and straight. All right, wheels, billet specially polished wheels. You can also see the Bauer big brake system on there with the slotted and drilled rotors. If you take a look at the underside of the car in the still pictures, you're going to see it has a 3-inch stainless exhaust. You're going to see Ford 9-inch rear end. That has a 389 rear gear ratio. There's a whole folder of receipts, info, things that are done to this car. We'll send that along with. And again, check out those still pictures because you're going to see and be able to read through the list of what has recently done to this car. So nice deep green bucket seats matching that dark green stripe. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Some more things that you're going to notice underneath this car. It does have the competition engineering traction bars. It also has Globe West subframe connectors. I mentioned the Bauer large disc brake system with ceramic pads. Keep the brake dust off those wheels, keep them a little cleaner. And once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. When we pop the hood, you're going to see it has a new aluminum radiator. Vintage AC was added, power steering pump, belts, hoses, all new underneath the hood, plug wires, battery, motor mount and headers. These things I'm naming off, new in 2024. Polyurethane body bushings, leaf springs, KYB gas shocks. Beautiful car. If you like these early 70s muscle cars, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. Beautiful Restomod. So go ahead and subscribe. Check them out. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase either online or right off our showroom floor. You can see interior, this car shows well also. Door cards looking good. I've not noticed any major rips, tears, or holes in the bucket seats. I did it. Tilt column. Aftermarket gauge cluster. Look like odometer gauges. And again, I'm trying to hit on all the highlights of this car. Check out the still pictures. You'll see the list I'm talking about in there. Fuel system, all new. Complete new fuel system. Tires also done in 2024. Fresh fluids. This car is ready to go. Here you can see that Terminator X controller. AC controls. I'm going to turn the key on. Remember, so this is going to be fuel. One thing I wanted to remember to tell you about. Radio is in the glove box. Just want to point that out. Remember, this is fuel injected. So I just want to turn the key on. Make sure we have fuel pressure, everything there. Turn the key, and away we go. Throttle response in this car. Yep, it sounds as good as it looks. And there's a lot of horsepower left in this car. This is just a mild tune. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back. Definitely be a sleeper, folks. Little rumble coming out of that. Remember, 5.3 liter with LS2 top end. And that 4L65E automatic transmission with overdrive. This car is going to be fun to drive. All those suspension components, performance brakes. Let's go ahead and check out that engine bay, and like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to drive this car, see how it goes down the road. Alright, underside of the cowl hood. This is steel, not a glass hood. There it is. And nicely done underneath here too. Take a look at this. See some of the things we talked about. Headers. Like new master cylinder proportioning valves right down here. Steering box, power steering, aluminum radiator, new AC compressor, running 134A. It's like tubular control arms. It's a nice setup. Now you see why I said not your average Nova. More of that Restomod. 1970. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Look at the stance of this thing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1970 Chevrolet Nova. We have a Bluetooth radio in the glove box, just out of sight with a remote. Terminator X controller that you can place wherever you like, with a cord running into the dash. Our turn signal indicators both work on this car. Nice strong running car, great exhaust notes. Nice firm shifts from that automatic transmission. Our oil pressure is showing 50 psi. Fuel gauge is at 3/4. Tachometer and speedometer working as they should. A little vibration that may just be from the tight motor mounts, maybe a little tire from sitting. These do sit and might get some flat spots. The volts are showing 14.5. The water temperature is showing about 185, and that all looks great. Wipers work on this car. The AC's blowing cold on this Nova. A little different color scheme, looking good. White with a green stripe that matches the green accents in the custom gauge panel. And what looks like a stock green interior for the doors, seats, carpet, headliner. A very 70s color. Little traffic today at the circle. This car corner is nice and flat. Definitely a modified suspension. A little lower, a little flatter. There's the roar. Kicking down to make a nice exhaust sound. This is an automatic right here on the floor, if I did not mention it. Just plop it in the drive and hit the throttle. Very fun car. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this 1970 Chevy Nova at uniqueclassiccars.com.